turn this to the on position. Walk at you. All day long. You want money, you want money, you want money, you want money, you want money. Citizens Bank. It's consequence. All right. So, this is the screen. Right now it's probably a little intimidating, but there's really only several screens on this machine. So if you go to your main menu, it's going to give you different things that you can do. One is the run mode. You hit the run mode, it's going to give you the 4 different modes that the machine can do. Single cycle is going to cycle once and stop, and it won't cycle again until you hit the start button. Open dwell is going to cycle once, stop, and time, whatever, and then go again automatically every time it's set in there. Close dwell, which you'll never use, closes, stops in the closed position, times, then opens and stops. That would be for a heating machine if you're doing like an embossing, where you're going up and you want to sit there for a second or two to emboss. And continuous is just continually running. So we're going to go with continuous right now. You hit the green button on the left. This doesn't do anything. Hit this green button. It's going to give you the, you have to agree to it. Yes. Brings you to this screen. You can see that up here the motor's not running. The light's off. SPH stands for sheets per hour. I used to say cycles per hour before I realized I didn't know how to spell. Okay, so that's sheets per hour. So that would be whatever the speed is set at. Right now, this is where you control your speed. I think it's 6 something. If you just let the machine run, it will cycle 600, whatever that speed is. Okay, so it's a little higher than that. It's 8 something, so right now it runs, approximately 800 times in an hour. Now, the faster the machine runs, the more current you can create. This is all inertia built. So, you have the flywheel spinning, it's creating energy. The faster it's going, the faster, more pressure it can get. If it's running real slow and you come up, you can get it stuck. So you want to have some speed up there. You don't want to running real slow if you have a heavy job. I'm not quite sure what you're going to be doing. They don't look too heavy. Yeah. Okay. Some people are cutting plastics, triple wall plastics, a lot of rule, and they're hammering. I mean, so much so you can see the old machine flex on the load. So then you have speed, they're going to lock it up. Okay. So right now, it's running at 797. It's in the continual mode. Probably got a bunch of warnings all activated. So, because we tripped the scanners and everything. So these are your warnings are saying that the edge guard, I'll go over that, is tripped. So to reset, there's 2 reset buttons. One right here. Put that down. Going to reset for you. And then you have another one here. You got one start button right here. This will give you the cycle. So this is continual mode right now. So it's going to cycle about 800 times in an hour until you stop it. There's several safeties. This is a light beam that actually goes from end to end. And when you do this, it breaks the light beam and it shuts the cycle down. Whenever you hit a trip, you got to reset it. So you reset. Cycle. One there. Russ was explaining to you earlier, these laser beams. Alright? This beam comes like this. So it gives you room to feed your paper into a hole. Beam is like right about here. See the light turns red? It's right here. So the beam comes straight out like this. Boom, boom. And this top one goes like this. So it creates a virtual safety curtain around the machine. So that you can't get into the machine from any angle. Okay? So whenever you trip a scanner, the scanners themselves will auto reset. So when you're in the beam, they go red, but when you come out, they reset automatically. But you need to reset the machine. Once they trip, you have to reset them. So if you come over here, it's gonna trip. All right. So again, we have safety here, safety.